to my channel. Today is day 6 of my 24 days of DIY, where I post a new DIY video every single day up until Christmas. I hope you guys have loved the ones that we've already done, and if you've missed them, go back and watch them after this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become part of my little family here on YouTube, and so you won't miss out on any of the other ones. I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to do a Anthropologie hack DIY. Basically, I was scrolling through Anthropologie and I saw this picture of this Pom Pom wreath, and I thought it was really cute, but a little pricey, and I thought, you know what, we can make that for a lot less. So that's the inspiration for this DIY, though we're going to change it up just a little bit, and instead of making a wreath, we are going to be making a Pom Pom mirror, because I don't know, I thought that might be fun. Okay, so we have our mirror. I'm just going to set this aside for a minute because we need to make our pom-poms. Now there are a couple different ways to make pom-poms. You can actually buy like a little pom-pom maker. They're fairly inexpensive from like a craft store, but you don't need to buy that. You can also just make it with a piece of cardboard. So this is just a random box that I have, and I'm just going to cut out a little square or rectangle out of here. Obviously the size of your square will determine how big your pom-poms are. So I just kind of winged it. I'm just going for cute little square like this, and you're going to make a slit, not all the way through, but I don't know, maybe like this high up, right in the middle of it. So I just cut 2 little lines and then cutting out the middle so it looks like this. And this will be your pom-pom maker. And now you need some yarn. I think the Anthropologie picture, I think those pom-poms were more like multicolored if I remember correctly. But I'm gonna go for just like neutral white and cream for a more Christmassy, snowy feel. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your yarn and your piece of cardboard, and you just start wrapping over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. But you wrap it this way, where the slit will be on the side like this. So I honestly don't know how many times I wrap. I just go until it's fairly thick. The more times you wrap, the more full your pom-pom will be. Okay, so I'm gonna stop at this thickness, so pretty thick. I'm going to cut the string, and then I'm going to cut another little piece of yarn. Okay, so the next step is why we needed a slit in the cardboard. So I'm gonna kind of scrunch my yarn in so I can see it. So here's this side, and then I want a little bit poking through on this side as well. I can see it right here. So I'm going to take my piece of string that I just cut, and I'm going to put one side through the slit up on this side, and then I'm going to wrap the other one around and through the cut on this side. So that way it is wrapped around the entire ball of yarn, and I'm just going to tie a tight knot with that. So this is how it should look now. And now I'm just going to take it off the cardboard, and it should still just all be tied. So it's tied around the middle, kind of looks like a bow. So you can kind of put your fingers in these 2 holes right here, and that's where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut each side, making it in like down the middle as best I can. Second side cut. So this is what it looks like right now. Not a super cute pom-pom, so it needs a haircut. So I just grab a bucket like this because it gets kind of messy, and I just hold this over and I literally just start chopping away, and I go until it looks even. Okay, that looks so cute. Ah, cute little pom-pom. Now you just need to make a lot more of them. To be honest, this takes a lot of time, so this is a great thing to do at night when you're watching your Netflix show. Just watch a show and make some pom-poms. But it's so satisfying once you make them all. Look how stinking cute they are. I tried juggling with them yesterday and I did okay. I can't really juggle, but I did okay for a minute. That's all I got. Okay, now it's time to make our mirror. You can find these mirrors at a craft store. I think I got this at either Michael's or Joann's. Cute. You can see my cutie pendant light right there on our ceiling. Also, my ring light. So I'm thinking the best way to glue these on is just with some hot glue. So I'm gonna go get my hot glue gun and we're gonna put these around the border of the mirror. Okay, my glue gun is heated up now and I just arranged the pom-poms on the mirror how I think I want them. I don't know, I think this is cute. So now I'm just gonna start hot gluing them on one at a time. And I made enough pom-poms where there's not gonna be a lot of space, like they're gonna be kind of scrunched together, which is kind of what I want. Because I think the Anthropologie one, the pom-poms are a lot smaller than mine, so I think they're like layered on top of each other and stuff, which is cute. But I'm just going for just a single layer of pom-poms, but they are really big pom-poms. The other good thing about using hot glue is that I think it's really easy to take off of mirrors, so that if you want it to be just a normal mirror again after the holidays, that's easy to do. That's so cute. Okay, so we could leave it like this, and I think this is darling. I'll probably just hot glue a piece of string back here so that I can hang it on the wall, or you could like set it up on a shelf or something. That would be cute too. We could leave it like this, or I saw another picture, I can't remember where, but they did a similar thing with a wreath, but then they made it even more Christmassy by adding like a little bow that hung down right here, and they even put little bottle brush trees right here. So I brought down a few options if we wanted to make a bow. These are my little hair scarves that I make for my Etsy shop, but I thought they would be perfect for this as well. So I didn't know what color would look best, so I just brought a few down. So let's see. Here's like, I am obsessed with this color. I think it's so pretty. It's like a brownish red, but I love it. Okay, that could be cute. Here's like the shimmery gold one. This is probably like the most Christmassy, though I don't know if it kind of clashes with this tan. Green, that could be cute, or just plain white. Ooh, I really like that. I'm a fan of neutral, if you can't tell. I think I might go with the white for this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna tie this in a bow. Cute, okay. Now, let's see. I'm thinking the best way to attach this would probably be just to glue it. Cute. And now the picture that I saw had these little bottle brush trees sitting like on the pom-poms like this, so it looked like a little tree forest. So I don't know if I might glue my back to the mirror. I think that'll help them like stand up better. I'm sorry, is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? I'm obsessed, that's so cute. Look at the little trees. Yay, that's so cute. Now I need to find a good spot to hang it. Ah, you guys have to go make this right now and tag me in it so I can see everybody's pom-pom mirrors, or you can do a wreath. You don't have to make it a mirror. You can just put it on a, go to the craft store, get either a metal hoop or a wood like embroidery big hoop and make a wreath. That would be cute too. But I already had this mirror and I thought that would be a fun little twist on the DIY. But seriously, everybody go to your craft store and get the supplies to make this. So freaking cute. Yay! Okay, well that is it for today's video. It turned out so cute. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure you come back to my channel tomorrow for the next DIY, and I will see you then. Bye.